Hello aspirants, Jai Hind. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to discuss how one can study for longer hours with improved productivity and concentration. So basically it means कि आप लंबी देर तक पढ़ भी पाएंगे और साथ ही साथ जो आपका कंसंट्रेशन और फोकस जो होगा वो बना रहेगा और रिटेंशन पावर भी अच्छी रहेगी और जो आप पढ़ेंगे वो आप समझ भी पाएंगे, ठीक है। और अगर आप समझ के पढ़ोगे तो आपको रटने की या याद करने की ज़रूरत इतनी नहीं पड़ेगी, क्योंकि दिस इज़ हाउ आवर माइंड वर्क्स। इफ़ यू टेंड टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग देन वी डोंट नीड टू cram it. Okay, so let's start our video. So सबसे पहले है कि don't study the same subject continuously. Okay, change the subject as soon as you feel a hint of disinterest. Okay, so most probably in a day you can study a subject for 2 to 3 hours at max, and after that you must change it. Okay, and that would give you that would refresh your mind. Okay, that's how our mind works, that we will discuss later in the video. So this is a very good tip. You can use it to study further and further for longer hours. Just change the subject whichever you are studying as soon as you feel disinterested or you feel that you are lacking focus. Besides that, take a breather of 10 to 15 minutes after every 45 to 60 minutes of studying. So that is like, suppose you are studying for 5 hours at breadth. So this is, practically speaking, the focus and the concentration is not expected to be to the point if you study at a stretch. So you must take 10 to 15 minutes breather after 45 to 60 minutes of study. You can do this by listening to few songs or doing some sort of yoga, or watching something or talking to people around you. But you must take it, drinking water, stretching 10 to 15 minutes, and then come back again and you would be refreshed. Besides that, you could also tend to understand that our body is significantly made up of water, and for it to function properly, water should be very well available in our body. So hydrate yourself with water. At least 2 to 3 liters of water every day is required for good functioning of our body. Okay, then we need to follow a routine. Okay, and we don't need to copy others in that process, because every person has a different sort of retention power or focusing ability. Some tend to like to study in night, some tend to like to study in day. So suppose you witness a topper who is studying early in the morning. Okay, so early in the morning is a good time to study because there is a lot of peace around you. Okay, everything is quiet, the air is fresh, the birds are chirping, and it's a new day, the sun is rising, so it's a good time. But some people like to study late in night as well. Okay, some people like to study different approaches they have. They like to study 5 subjects in a day for 1 hour each. So it might not suit you. You can study 3 subjects in a day. Okay, you can study 4 subjects in a day, but you don't need to copy others. Okay, the thing is that the thing that works for you may or might not work for others, and vice versa as well. Besides that, you can also use this particular strategy, that you should start from something that you like the most, the subject that you like the most. What will happen? It will set the momentum. जब आप पेपर देने जाते हो ना, तो भी आप ये स्ट्रेटजी यूज़ कर सकते हो. आप सबसे पहले वो क्वेश्चंस करो जो आपको बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं. ठीक है, इससे क्या होगा, इससे ये होगा कि एक तो आपका मोमेंटम बिल्ड हो जाएगा कि यार मुझे पेपर आ रहा है, मैं कर रहा हूँ, आई हैव गेन दी सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मार्क्स, एंड कॉन्फिडेंस भी बिल्डअप होगा. ओके, so it will make you better in the final moments, you know. So like that also the knowledge is also gained, you know. When you're trying to gain knowledge, यार मुझे, when you start with a likely subject, then you will think कि यार मुझे अच्छे से आ रहा है, अच्छे से आ रहा है, मेरे दिन की शुरुआत आज अच्छी हुई क्योंकि यू नो मैंने 3 hours ऑफ मैथ पढ़ा और बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़ा, क्वालिटी स्टडी हुई, अब मैं और अच्छे से आगे भी करूँगा फॉर द एंटायर डे, you know. So that sets the momentum. So start from the subject that you like the most. After that, I would say, because see, we all are humans, and sometimes, you know, out of the blue moon, we feel that drained out or completely disinterested. So in this scenario, a larger break is very much necessary, you know, maybe for a day. What you need to do: watch a movie, listen to songs, go out, practice yoga, go for a run, go for a walk, you know, watch some motivational video, watch a good movie, you know. So you need to give yourself break from study as well. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, स्टडी भी एज अ डोमेन क्या हो गया, रेपिटेटिव हो रहा है, तब ये सिचुएशन अराइज होती है और हमारा ब्रेन कहता है, यू नो, now what you're doing is that you are doing the same thing, although you're trying to befool me by studying the different subjects, but you are doing studies, and that is also monotonous. So ये monotonicity भी आपको हटाना ज़रूरी है. Okay, after that, now I'll tell you how our mind works. Okay, तो हमारा माइंड जो है वो एक बहुत ही अच्छी मशीन है, यू नो, दैट गॉड हैज़ क्रिएटेड, बट इट टेंड्स टू गेट टायर्ड. वो अगर एक ही चीज़ लगातार करता रहेगा, देन यू नो द फंक्शंस ऑफ द ब्रेन, दे टेंड टू गेट, यू नो, अ बिट, you could say, exhausted, and it tends to get tired in simple terms. तो ब्रेन को रिफ्रेश करने के लिए यू नीड टू स्विच द सब्जेक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टडिंग. ओके, एंड इन लाइफ मोनोटोनिसिटी ऑल्सो हैम्पर्स द ब्रेन. यू नो, यू वॉन्ट फील गुड डूइंग सेम थिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक पीपल से ना, यार लाइफ में कुछ चैलेंज नहीं है, मेरे इस जॉब में कुछ चैलेंजिंग नहीं है, यू नो, हर रोज सेम चीज़ करना. सो दैट दे आर नॉट सेइंग, देयर ब्रेन इज सेइंग it is tired. So you must change the subjects as you study throughout the day, and subject refreshes the brain. Okay, it tends to create the focus and retention power further ahead for the day. Lastly, I would suggest, always remember the final objective, that why are you studying. Okay, what is the objective, and keep that in mind. Develop a plan, okay, that I'll study like this, I'll study this on this day. You must execute it as well. ठीक है, कुछ दिन अच्छे नहीं रहेंगे, the plan might be a bit tilted towards, you know, uncertainty कि यार आज तो नहीं पढ़ पाया, इसको कैसे पूरा करूँ. That happens, but ultimately it should be executed somewhere near around the thing that you wanted it to be. 40 दिन में कंप्लीट करना था तो चलो आप 45 डेज ले लो, लेकिन यू मस्ट एग्जीक्यूट इट, राइट. और एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स इज कंसिस्टेंसी. एक दिन 10 घंटे पढ़ के, एक हफ्ते 10 घंटे पढ़ के नहीं काम बनना है. आपको क्या करना है, 40 दिन 3 से 5 घंटे पढ़ना है, जो आपने प्लान बनाया है उससे काम होगा. एक हफ्ते पढ़ के आप एग्जॉस्टेड हो गए और फिर छोड़ दिया, ठीक है. सो कंसिस्टेंसी मैटर्स. आप 10 घंटे 7 दिन पढ़ तो रहे हो, लेकिन क्या वो फोकस है, वो रिटेंशन पावर है कि नहीं, यू नो. तो आपको कंसिस्टेंट रहना है 40 दिन के लिए, 7 दिन के लिए नहीं. ओके, एंड आई होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प्स यू ऑल, एंड इफ यू विल इम्प्लीमेंट ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव सेड, it will certainly help, because we have practiced it and we have benefited from it. So basically whatever we tell you in the videos, we have benefited through it and we are sharing it with you. Okay, aspirants, Jai Hind. See you all in the next video.
सफलता की नींव है माता पिता का आशीर्वाद। और सफलता की सीढ़ी परीक्षा, द सक्सेस ऐप।